everyone, Chef Kayla here on Waller Adventures on another episode of Cooking with Chef Kayla. Today we are going to be making some guacamole. Alright guys, remember the Bob's Burgers cooking episode where we made the sweet home avocado burger?
Well, there's some right here.
Well, I have leftovers from that burger. Today we have some avocado, the pepper, onion, and tomatoes from the burger, and we have the lime juice. Alright guys, you have to mash up your avocados. Then you want to add in all your peppers, tomatoes, and onions. And you want to add in your juice. Shout out to Oven Mom for this nice citrus press from Pampered Chef. If you don't know who Oven Mom is, you should check her out on TikTok, and she also has some videos on YouTube. She also sells Pampered Chef, where I bought this from. If you are interested in buying any Pampered Chef from her, I will put a link to her page in the description. Alright guys, now that our guac is ready to go, we're going to do a taste test. It is Waller approved. Alright guys, thanks for watching this episode of Cooking with Chef Kayla. I hope you enjoyed it. See you real soon. Did you like this cooking video? Then check us out on our YouTube channel at Waller Adventures. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get notified on when we post videos. Also check us out on Facebook at Waller Adventures and on our Instagram page at Waller_Adventures. Thanks for viewing the video. Hope to see you soon.